Did you know that it's possible to insert a YouTube video to your PowerPoint slide? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. As you can see, this is how added YouTube video looks like in presentation. Firstly, we need to install YouTube Video Player add-in in PowerPoint. To do so, go to Home tab and find on Add-ins button. If you don't see this button here, just click on search bar here and write add-ins. Now click on add-ins option. Here in this window, click on Get Add-ins button. Now in search bar, search for YouTube Video Player. And click on Add button next to this add-in. Now click Continue. As you can see, the field where your YouTube video will be added in now in our presentation. You can adjust YouTube video field as you want. You can change the size, set up autoplay, or adjust start and end timing. Now let's try it. I have copied a YouTube video URL, but you can also input a video on Vimeo. Now the video will start at 0 seconds. Then click on Set Video button. If you want to play the video, just click on Play button. Also, if you want to delete the video, click on upper right corner and choose Delete option. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.